Hello everybody. It's a cookie. Ship Ahoy cookies. This one I think original but thing. Mm-hmm. Yep. Blah. How many they have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So 27 the cookies. I pick one to show you the so you can see it. This cookies. No, there's a cookie and cookies. Hmm, kind of crunchy. Not bad. One more. Mm. It's crunchy. Mm, not really. Not a lot sweet. Not heavy on chocolate. And then the thin pieces are, you know, if you're not the person love too sweet, that's I think it's a good cookie for you. Not bad. I'm in the garden now. You can hear the birds singing and the sound of a pool pumping. And sometimes you can hear the airplane. Uh, I think, yeah. Today I opened this again. Actually, you remember the last time I showed you about this a bunch of cookies? I opened some for you to see. Since then, I haven't opened the rest of them yet. So today I said, okay, let me open for you guys to see so I can eat and finish up with them. Another two I opened to show you last time. I still have left a cookie there. I haven't finished yet. I thank you for watching. See you next video. And yeah, this oh here they have a thing crispy. Oh, yep. Okay, bye. See you next video.